robot? A big robot or a small robot? Small robot? A regular robot or like a robot dog? A robot reindeer? A robot dog? That's super cool. Is there anything else you're asking for? Nothing else? Just the robot? That's super cool. I see you like, is that Elsa on your gloves? Did you watch Frozen yet this year? Not yet? Elves love watching Frozen. Such a good movie. Alright. Wow. We're super excited to have you in the workshop and Santa's waiting. But for now, where did you get your antlers from? Are you a reindeer? You're not a reindeer? Do you work with the reindeer? So you just grew antlers? And they're attached to your head? Whoa. Can you move your ears? That's super cool. So have you ever seen a reindeer before? You have? Oh. Did you ride on it? Did it fly away? No? Well, you'll have to make sure you see a reindeer this season. Santa will surely love to show you a reindeer. You'll have to tell him about it, okay? And reindeer actually love to eat cookies. And we have some cookies on the tree over there. Well, we can't let Cookie Monster in because Cookie Monster always eats all the cookies. Did you get to see Cookie Monster yet today? Not yet? Well, I know Big Bird was out before. He was walking down the street. Did you see him? Oh, that's super cool. Big Bird and Santa are best friends. All right, well, can you open the door first and we'll get right into Santa. Is it not opening? Is it locked? Uh-oh. Well, there should be a key around here somewhere. Maybe behind the tree, or in the bag, or maybe there's no key. Maybe I just forgot the key, but that's okay. We'll just take you into the super secret entrance. So, the way to get in, we have to do a super special knock, just like this. Can you do it with me? Here we go. Oh, it's like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. You know, on my way to the elf break room, I saw this present, and I wonder who it's from. Let's find out. So, this says, to Mrs. Claus from Santa. I think Santa lost his present. Would you like to give it to him? Right, he's right through this door. Let's give it a knock. Come on in.
You found it? What was this? I was looking for it. I must have dropped it. Where was it? Outside? It was, and you found it for me? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Thank you for being my helper. You're a good helper. Yes. Do you know what you want for Christmas? Some toys, some dolls, some Legos. You want everything? Can we get a picture with me and you? Yeah, can you sit on my knee or stand next to me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Say cookies. Get up top.